Imagine coming home to a space that rivals the luxury of a five-star hotel. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's where it gets controversial. Achieving hotel-like opulence in your own home doesn't have to cost a fortune. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about expensive furniture or lavish decor. It's about smart choices and clever tricks that make your space feel indulgent and relaxing. So, are you ready to transform your humble abode into a haven that rivals the world's best hotels? Let's dive in and explore how you can create your own Hotel Luxe experience at home. But wait, there's more to this story. Some might argue that the secret to a luxurious home isn't just about the physical space, but also about the atmosphere and personal touches. What do you think? Is there something you've done in your home that makes it feel like a sanctuary? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about what makes a house a home.